Do you know how to subtract one polynomial from another? Take a look at this example. Here we have two polynomials. In the top polynomial, we have 34a squared b plus 3ab squared minus 14ab plus 9 minus 18a squared b minus 8ab squared plus 28ab minus 12. And what we're going to do is we're going to work with each common term separately. So let's start with the constants here. We have 9 take away, don't forget this over here, a negative 12. Whenever we take away an integer, it's the same thing as adding the opposite of the second number. So here we would have, if I wrote this out the long way, 9 minus negative 12, which would become positive 21. So in my answer, here I'm going to put positive 21. Now let's look at the next term. I've got a negative 14ab minus positive 28ab. Here I've got, if I write this one, negative 14ab minus 28ab, which is going to give me a negative 42ab. Now let's look at the next term. Here are the next two terms. We have 3ab squared minus a negative 8ab squared. So here I would have 3ab squared minus a negative 8ab squared. Add the opposite of the second number, and I end up with a positive 11ab squared. Now I'm going to work with the last two terms. 34a squared b minus 18a squared b. And I'm left with 16a squared b. Now I'm going to circle this polynomial because it is my final answer. I have 16a squared b plus 11ab squared minus 42ab plus 21. The big thing to watch for is when you're subtracting, you have to apply this subtraction sign. It's a common error that people forget to apply this to every term. We had to apply it here, we had to apply it here, we had to apply it here, and we had to apply it here. And when we apply it to each of the terms in the second polynomial, the polynomial that we're subtracting, then we end up with an accurate answer. If you forgot to apply it at any point, then one of the terms in your answer would not be correct, and your answer would be inaccurate. Always be sure to double check your work and to subtract common terms with common terms.